we're going to go to Malaysia. But for today, malag sa Singapore and we are strolling around our hotel because it's really, really big. Yeah, may kabaw. Karon may kabaw. Manade mo garden here. And makita nimo ang like the streets of SG here. Sana all white traffic. Ano siya, mong hotel. So later, manglakaw na me. We're gonna check out. We're going to walk around a little bit in Singapore. Tonight, we're going to travel to Malaysia via bus, which I will document also for people who want to visit Malaysia from Singapore. Kay mag-bus rami. Gigoogle sa damo ni. So wala mi kabaw. Ani. I'll see you later. We are going to a orchard something. Amo pa pangitaw kato mo to ayon. Wala ningon naglabang ang maps. Ako sa check. Okay, wait. We're gonna walk around and explore our last day in Singapore. Naka-realize ko nga na ako sa Singapore. Yan naaday diri ang Sephora. Kay paliton na kay ko og like products pero hurot na. Nya wala na ko time para mo order. Yan naka-realize ko nga Singapore mo din ang Sephora. Oy, so anyway, kita na mo ang Sephora. I will buy some stuff. Tadadaan! Wala mo tani sa plano na mo oy, pero wala ni sa plano nga mag Sephora but naa naman dyan ang Sephora diri. So, yep. Here in a bookstore, kaya nagipangita si Chelsea na web novel and she found it. So, mapalit siya. But awa, siya Studio Ghibli nga collection. Awa, na Studio Ghibli nga collection. I know. Awa na, makapalit to sa nis Chi. Boodle Buddies. Awa, it's so pretty. So, on a journey, finding the gamhanan kayo nga padamdek. Narami si Tuyok sa National Gallery of Singapore. So, padung namin sa bus stop. Kuha naman mo stuff. Travel me to Malaysia tonight. Kapoy sa Dui, kapoy ni siya nga trip. We will endure and we will survive for the travel. Yep, for the Back at the hotel, we're waiting for our Grab to take us to Harbourfront. It's the same place nga sa may Manukat, Padong, Malaysia. Fun fact, if ganamo mo travel like us, familiarize na lang daan ang Harbourfront Center. Kaya dito ra ka magbalik-balik lang. We're going to ride the bus, going to the ferry. Struggle is real, guys. Travel light if you want to travel like Tricity like us. Randomly, there's a donkey here in Singapore. Donkey! Look at my dinner! Sizzling noodles. Change outfit because I want to be comfortable in the bus. And I also want to sleep, so... Hi, Chi! We were just talking about how unsa na oras. It's already 6:21. Hayag yapon kaayo. So nagwait na lami sa bus. Our trip is going to be 6:45 but it's 6:21. It's suggested nga ari lang mo early. Anyway, ang Harbor Center na mall kay daghan ra kayo makanan. Naka-arcade pa ko, naka-shopping pa ko, nakabay pa ko pasalubong. So daghan ra kag mabuhat even if early ka. So we suggest nga mag-early lang mo. And then nagwait na lang mi sa bus. Tataod na siguro kasi 6:30 daw dapat na mi diri. Transfer na me to Malaysia after this. So muna siya. I will see you guys on the other side. Charot. Here's our bus. So comfy. We're on our way to Malaysia. We are booking from airline. Ano ko'y maingon do? Kay comfy na kay ko. Like, ang kuwang na lang ako na lang i-down ang ako ang chair para kahigda na dyan ko. We recommend this booking. Time for dinner. Kumusta ang immigration experience, G? Chill ako. Si Jen ang stress. Di pangutan ako. Ipatrabaho bro ako Singapore. But anyway, pag-dinner na me because dinner is included in the booking. We arrived in Malaysia. This is our Airbnb. Our view here, kay gabi pa man so we don't have much of a view. We have a view of this guy right there. I don't know what that is but we'll probably discover it tomorrow. We've arrived in Malaysia. Airline is actually really nice. I heard nga more na apay mas cheaper option than airline. But airline is really nice. They give you food, blankets. Tomorrow we're going to explore Malaysia. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Napaanggis watch na mo sa Sephora. I will see you tomorrow. Hi, we're on our tour. Oh my God. We're on our tour in Malaysia. This is Batu Caves. Hi. Sai is somewhere over there. So nice kay ang cave. Ako na lang i-google ang history kaya di ko ganahan mo saka kasi it's 179 steps. I do not have the energy for that. We didn't have breakfast for this. We didn't have breakfast. We're gonna get breakfast in a while. Pigeons! So many pigeons over there. Yeah. Malaysian products. Daga shopping ang yads, uy.
Pasalubong na ni uy.
Pasalubong di ay.
So maning friendly ta.
Bitaw, unsa jud si? Unsa what's your message?
Asa kong next life dapat isa na
group of friends. Ano na? Ay, nangita dyan ako something parat na.
This is prawn.
Prawn.
This one, squid, fish.
Oishi? Durian chocolate. We're in Genting Highlands, going to take the cable car over there. Already ay magdala ng jacket. Rookie mistake number 1. Abi man ako like nasa ubos Highlands siya sa babaw. Oh, so Tagaytay vibes siya guys. So bugnaw. Ako gana jacket, may nga t-shirt kasi sleeveless one. Pantay jud ko. We're in the sky. We've arrived in Genting Highlands. Pumunta akong giingon nga, if you're gonna be here, pagdala og jacket, kay Tagaytay vibe siya, mas bugna pa siya kasi sa Tagaytay, I think. Wala ko ganang jacket na siya, sige jacket na. Mangita may food right now. Mura naman siya og amusement park, mall, type thing. So we're gonna spend our whole afternoon here and then later on, to Miss Chinese temple and then go home. So yay! Welcome to Malaysia! Paday, gikan na mi sa amusement parks. Nasolo na mo ang cable car. Now, padong mi sa Chinese temple. Also, dry kaya ako mata. May ganun sa ilang Watsons, kina ay eye drops. I feel so much better. Malaysia, truly Asia. Nabudol ko. Dagang kayong ka-sale. Naka-timing ni. Nga na ay Marag holiday, Hindu holiday. So like everything is on sale. Wala siya. We're back in our Airbnb na day light show ang Petronas Tower Sinig 7. I think makaabot raman siguro mi if magawas mi taon-taon. Traffic kayo, fin ako nakaabot mi sa rush hour pag alas 5. But yeah, wala siya. Day 4 of our Tricity Trip in Malaysia, truly Asia. Oh my god guys, struggle is real. Kay daghan kay tao. Sorry. Kunya nagpa-picture mi aning nakagtao niya gauwan pa jud or wala nagaw lang katalisik ganina. So nag-struggle mi og pa-picture. But anyway, we got the photos. Sige. Say. Yup.
Wala na jud.
It's already 10:43. We just went on a convenience store. Ilang convenience store nga dollar kay Chinese. Yan na si jeuxee. Ato na to giutak kasabot. Yan ako siya gingnan nga. Sas ko ni katapula kag Chinese chi. Sa ko mama. Last night, oh my gosh, last night. Last night na mo and made it this far. I know, made it this far in our 3-country 5 days trip. Last day na mo tomorrow. We're gonna go home. Ugma na. Good night, friends. Good morning. Our last day here in Kuala Lumpur with my friends at the poolside. Hi, friends. Okay. The view here is really, really nice. Our condo though. Our Airbnb is so nice. So this is the pool and you can really see the view of the Twin Towers over there. Sana all chi na abs. See, it's really, really nice. So we're just going to hang out here and then we're gonna check out today and maybe laag for a bit later on before we fully leave Kuala Lumpur. And that would end our 3-country 5 days trip in Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Like and subscribe and use our club code. Pavilion Mall because I'm not leaving Malaysia until I visit Uncle Roger's restaurant. I went here, kaya ako siya pangitaon. So we're in Pavilion Mall. Uncle Roger, I'm coming for you! Nag-line me here because there's a line. Pataas na kay ang line. I will review their food later. Just ate in Uncle Roger's place. How was the food, Shape?
It was good.
It was good.
Price was very good, but a little bit pricey.
It's very expensive. Wala mega expect ngayong ato siya.
Pricey talaga.
I said you guys it's very expensive. Ako na lang dito kayo demure kamay. Awa, ang linya. Basta kay ang lime. In peso, ang usa ka plato kay mga 560, di ba?
560.
Mga 560. Muna to siya. Good for usa ka person na pa jud siya. Nga na daw siya. O mo na siya. Nahappy na ako na. Nari ko sa Malaysia. Nakita ko niya Uncle Roger. Nakita ko na Uncle Roger. So, pwede na ako mulis Pilipinas. Bye, Malaysia! PS, ingon si Chi. Nga, pwede madala ang baso. May souvenir. Muna niya pa. Sige, mahal kayo. Hi guys! Airport na me. We're going home to the Philippines. Malaysian Delights. Ang ilahang delights here kay durian. Sounds familiar? Charot. Coffee. Madani na sad mi aning mga buy 5, get 3, whatever. Ako mga friends, hili kay mga branded.
Miss Dion.
Yes, Miss Jeuxee.
Oh my God, mine.
It's mysteries.
At the airport, waiting for our flight. See you soon, Philippines. Last flight for our trip. Init kaayo. Kanu na mi Cebu. Uli na mi. Ngawaan eh. Yeah, init kaayo. Siyempre, kulay nga ni Singapore no naman. See you later.